and talk to you guys because guess what? It's almost Thanksgiving. 2020 is like around the corner. There's gonna be tax money. There's gonna be things that we're gonna wanna go ahead and purchase. We're gonna wanna go ahead and buy. And I wanted to give you guys a few quick tips on how to boost your credit scores fast in the next 30 days. So for you guys checking out the channel for the first time, like, subscribe, comment, and if obviously this is very informative, go ahead and share. Let's keep the dialogue continuing so that other people could also go ahead and take advantage of this. So let's go ahead and dive in real fast. As a matter of fact, I always get people that ask me, I'm getting into a program, I want to go ahead and boost my credit really fast. So guess what? In credit repair, or in this particular case, an increase in credit scores, you're gonna have to do a combination of things if you want your credit scores to be increased in a short amount of time. So nevertheless, obviously by you disputing negative information, you could do this yourself. Obviously, if you need any kind of assistance, let us know here at Buildworth Strategies. We'll go ahead and help you guys because 35% of your credit score is based on negative information. So by you challenging some of the negative information that you might have, either a late payment, a collection, either a repo, that potentially could have a discrepancy. And under the Fair Credit Reporting Act, if you find a violation, a discrepancy, a mistake, or something's not done correctly, then that's gonna give you leverage to remove the information. That actually has the biggest impact when increasing scores. Now, we obviously know that it's not only about disputing. So we also want to go ahead and do additional things such as lowering the utilization rate. And as a matter of fact, I've always talked about to you guys out there, try to maintain it below 30%. The magic number is 30%, but in reality, 2020, it's not going to be 30%. It's 10%, guys. Statistically, based on what the agencies have put out there, content, information, articles, and research have said that maintaining your utilization below 10% would give you a higher boost. Nevertheless, obviously, having it at 0, it's even better. So besides that, add yourself as an authorized user, guys. Leverage your friends or your family members, your husband, your wife, and if they have a credit card that has a really low utilization, 10%, new magic number, and as a matter of fact, it has a high limit, and guess what? If it's had history for about 9 to 11 years, then that credit card could be taken advantage of at a 45%, meaning you could have a significant increase by you adding yourself as an authorized user. And keep in mind, it's not gonna hurt the other person, guys. As a matter of fact, you don't even want a credit card from that same account, so avoid that. All you want is the history. So once they contact the creditor and let them know that you wanna add this individual, and again, you don't have to be a family member. You could add anybody to your accounts. Once they add you to it, that information comes onto the report. Make sure, since this is obviously, we're trying to do this in 30 days, to make sure to add already the name, last name, date of birth, social, and address. You want to give them those 4 pieces of information, and if they give you some sort of hard time, let them know, guess what? You in the past have tried and sometimes have failed for that information to report right away. So ensure that you get that information in there. Besides that, guys, also applying for a new account could also help you out. Again, this is obviously contingent on your credit score. If you have above a 620, a 660, a 680, you have a high probability of success. Getting approved for another credit card could mean the difference of another 25 to 35 points in a very short amount of time. Besides that, guys, as a matter of fact, I don't know if you guys have checked out, but Experian is offering what's called the Experian Boost. Now they're using for qualified accounts, if you give them access to your bank account, instead of them actually going ahead and reporting only negative information, they could also now report positive information. So obviously the information the accounts have to be qualified, but that could also have an instant increase. Obviously anywhere from about 10 to about 25 more points. Besides that, go ahead and focus on maintaining your payments on time. And for the next time, guys, 2020 is among us. If you guys out there obviously need the service, need the guidance, we offer a free credit evaluation here at Buildworth Strategies. I hope these quick tips are going to give you guys the edge needed in order for you guys to go ahead and achieve your goals fast. Until next time, guys, thank you so much for the love and support, and happy Thanksgiving.
Yeah, walk off screen. Walk off here. Don't make it weird.
What are you talking about? I don't know. You walk to me.
Just walk this
Oh,
way.
okay. Want to do it again?
Yeah.
And until the next time, guys. That was still weird.
Do like interact with the camera or something.
So until the next time, guys, check it out.